In the coldest place on earth, the warmest hearts live. Antarctica is colder than any place humans live. Yet penguins survive, not with weapons, but with unity. Penguin parents protect their chicks with their own body heat. They stand for months, hungry, tired, but never leave. Christmas is not about gifts, it is about love, sacrifice, and staying together in hard times. Animals don't celebrate festivals, yet they live the true meaning of them. If penguins can choose love in ice, humans can choose kindness on earth.